Let me be brutally honest about something most people will never say out loud. The right kind of hug, it can create a deeper, more intense emotional pull than most kisses ever could. I've seen women completely reevaluate their relationships, question their attraction, even lose emotional clarity, chuai, yin, all because of free, yi, oner. One single, unforgettable embrace from another man. One small shift in how he held her, and suddenly her mind couldn't let him go. That's the level of impact we're talking about. Now compare that to what most men do. The average hug, it's mechanical, predictable, forgettable, like a handshake with arms, polite, safe, and instantly erased from her memory. And that's exactly the problem, because that kind of hug doesn't build attraction. It quietly kills it. But the man who understands the psychology and neurobiology of touch, he doesn't just hug her. He leaves something behind, a neurological imprint, a feeling her mind can't fully explain, but her body keeps replaying. And that's what we're breaking down today, because by the end of this video, you're going to learn Asi in Siri 1. The subtle posture shift that changes how she feels you. The one powerful point of contact most men get completely wrong. And how to turn a simple hug into something she remembers for weeks. If you're ready to level up how you communicate without saying a word, drop hugs in the comments right now. Let's get into it. Here's why most hugs fail. They follow a social script. Quick squeeze, pat on the back, release, done. That type of hug sends one message to her nervous system. This is safe, friendly, nothing more. It closes the emotional loop. No tension, no curiosity, no desire, just friendly energy. And friendly energy doesn't create attraction. It neutralizes it. Now let's flip that. The hug that actually stays in her mind, it breaks the script completely. It communicates something deeper. Keen means and calm control, presence, emotional intensity. And here's the mistake most men make. They think attraction is about doing more. Our sector for more movement, more energy, more intensity. Wrong. Real attraction is built on something far more powerful, a stillness, because a rushed, uncertain touch signals anxiety, but a slow, grounded touch, that signals confidence, safety, and authority, the exact combination that unlocks attraction. So here's the framework you need to understand. It's called the somatic imprint, and this changes everything, because your goal is no longer to impress her mind. It's to leave a physical memory in her body, a feeling she can't ignore, a moment that lingers long after you're gone. This works through 3 core elements. Tempo, stillness, anchor point. Master these and you change how she experiences you entirely. Anzi, first, tempo. This is where most men lose the game instantly. They move at a normal conversational speed. But here's the truth. Friendly energy is fast. Attractive energy is slow. So instead, I slow your hug down by 25%. That slight delay breaks her expectations. And when expectations break, attention spikes. Now she's fully aware of you, fully present in the moment. Braki, second, stillness. This is where the magic actually happens. Once you're in the hug, do nothing. No talking, no back patting, no nervous movement. Just IQs, be still and breathe, because that silence forces her brain to shift from thinking mode to feeling mode. And that's where real connection lives. That's where her body starts to relax and open. Octucor's third, the anchor point. This is the most important detail of all, and almost every man gets it wrong. Most men place their hands high on her shoulders or upper back. That's the friend zone position. If you want to create a real imprint, your hand needs to go lower. specifically the curve of her lower back. This spot is powerful. It's subtle but deeply intimate. It communicates two things at the same time: support and control. Her subconscious understands this instantly and responds to it. So let's simplify everything into one powerful rule, or enunciate and slow down. Stay silent, anchor lower. That's it. That's the difference between being forgotten and being remembered. And let me make something clear. This isn't a trick. This isn't manipulation. This is communication, a deeper kind. Because when you can create a moment of calm, grounded presence, you're giving her something rare, something real, a feeling of being both safe and desired, at the same time. And that combination, that's powerful. At the end of the day, your actions speak louder than anything you say. Your presence communicates everything about you. So don't just hug her or make her feel something she can't explain. If you're committed to leveling up your presence, comment ready below. I want to see who's actually serious about becoming that man. And if this opened your eyes to a whole new level of attraction and connection, subscribe to Love Lies in Reality, because every week we break down the psychology, body language, and hidden dynamics most men never understand. So you stop guessing and start creating real impact. And share this video with someone who has the potential but just hasn't learned how to use it yet. I'll see you in the next one.